Hey, what's up everybody, Sam here. Today we are going to compare the camera performance between the Galaxy S25 Ultra, iPhone 16 Pro and vivo X200 Pro. Let's get started. Oh, glad my phone is all right. You know, my Oppo phone is all right. And speaking of keeping your phone in perfect condition and save your phone from those inevitable drops or scratches, I like to introduce the brand SmartDevil, a great tempered glass brand for both Android and iPhones. They come with the 3 protectors in the box, plus an easy-to-use installation tool. So simple, even my 6-year-old daughter can do it. The protectors are ultra clear and super durable. Nothing can scratch the screen, even with the pain. You get that extra layer of protection without sacrificing touch sensitivity. Be sure to grab your screen protector in the description and keep your phone looking brand new. Now let's get back to the phone camera comparison. 4K 60 front. Alright, so front camera, let's quick, go. Do. Let's go. What is the best stabilization? iPhone always wins others, right? Wow, you can see dynamic range on the iPhone. Oh gosh, iPhone is just, yes, it is the best from the screen. Woo! Okay. Vivo not bad. Samsung seems as the worst, at least judging from the screen. Okay, that's it. Let me know. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, zoom capability comparison. Ultra wide. So this is our ultra wide, and then we go one. Okay, we go to 1, 2. You can also check the smoothness. 3 times on Galaxy, 3.7 on Vivo, and okay, 5 times. Maybe just check to the 3 because okay, this is the 3 because I just use the default. Use the default focal length. Okay, 3 times. and then 5 times, 5 times, and now go to 5 times on Vivo. Okay, so you can see who has the best. Oh wow, Samsung is really good, right? And now let's just go to 10 times. Okay, 10 times on Galaxy, 10 times on Vivo, and 10 times on iPhone. Wow, I guess Vivo is really not bad. And all the way to 20. So Samsung also 20, but iPhone is 15. Okay, so these are the 3. So these are the 3, the maximum zoom. I just noticed the iPhone has so much noise. Well, oh my god, I guess Vivo has the best with much less noise, but the stabilization seems a little bit not that stable on the Galaxy. Anyway, that's the zoom. Ultra wide all the way back to ultra. Wow, you can see the smoothness, how smooth it is on the iPhone. Oh, you see the smoothness. Wow. 4K 60. So stabilization test. 你可以拍我一点。Okay. 4K 60. To see who has the best stabilization. Alright. So many kids here. I'm gonna go this way. I have to check this from the screen. And yeah. Woo! Climb the stairs. Okay. Tell me which one has the best stabilization. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 4K 30. Why don't shoot 4K 60? Because it's night. It's a night, and 4K 60 it's not good. Okay, it's too shaky, too noisy, just too much for the phone camera. So I just shoot 4K 30 for all of them. Okay, and I'm gonna test the stabilization. I'm gonna run a little bit so you can see who has the best stabilization. Okay, let's run. Why I see like iPhone is shakes like crazy, but I have to check on the screen on the big monitor. So that's it. Just let me know who has the best. 4K 30, the front camera. Okay, front camera. Okay, let's check who has the best. And yeah, woohoo! Let's check who has the best. When I turn to the bulb here, okay, seems alright, but it's noisy here. Let me run a little bit. Wow. So let's check out. Are they good? Are they blah blah blah? Check. Okay, I guess it's alright. Do you use, front camera for videos that often? Let me know. Alright, now let's do the most important thing. Zoom, which you guys love most, okay? And this is the ultra wide. Woohoo! And now go to one. I guess iPhone has the best smooth, And this is the 1. Go to 2. And now let's go to 3. Okay, 3. And this is 4 actually. Because the iPhone doesn't have that default focal length. Okay, let's go to 2.7. Whatever, 3. And 3.7. And the Vivo. Okay, and let's just go to 5. Okay, let's go to 5. And this is 5, alright? Wow. Oh my god, I don't need to say, right? Galaxy has the best. Oh my god, that's crazy. Galaxy. iPhone is too blown out, too much noisy. Vivo, not that clear. Now let's go to 20 times. 10 times on iPhone and 10 times on Galaxy S25 Ultra. Ooh. Also 10 times. Oh, I see. Maybe just got a balloon out on that nice spots. Okay. Wow, my god, the Galaxy is so fucking great. All the way to 20 times. All the way to 20 times. Wow. I really don't need to say anything. iPhone 15 times. Oh my god, it's like a Galaxy just smashed the other two phones on the ground, right? Oh my goodness. Let's move to other places. Man, Galaxy zoom is just crazy good. My goodness. Okay, that's